Welcome to the Navratri series look number 2. If you are someone who is looking for a subtle and minimalistic look this Navratri, then this is the look for you. Hello everyone, this is Aparna and welcome back to my channel. Starting off with the moisturizer from Dot and Key to prep my skin for the makeup. Next up, I'm going ahead with the highlighting primer from Swiss Beauty, making sure to blend this evenly into my skin. Next step is the foundation. I am applying the foundation from the K Beauty in the shade 120 Wild Light, and I'm using a kabuki brush to blend this foundation. Going ahead with the next step, which is highlighting and contouring my face. First, going ahead with the concealer from Swiss Beauty in the shade Sand Sable for the inner corner, under eye, nose, and the T-zone of my face. Then I'm applying the contour from the concealer palette from Inside Cosmetics to define my cheekbones, forehead, and nose. Then going ahead, I'm blending my concealer with a pencil brush and then using a damp beauty blender for the contour. Next, for the blush, I'm using this Inside Cosmetic On The Go blush in the shade Taffy. And moving on to the eye and going ahead with a lighter transition shade on my crease. Now I'm gonna take a dark brown shade from the eyeshadow palette and apply it on my crease. I'm gonna follow the crease line, and next I'm gonna take a fluffy blending brush and blend out the edges to make it smooth. Now I'm going to take a lighter pink shade and apply it on my eyelids, and here we don't need to be precise as it's gonna blend out with the brown shade and create a smooth transition like this. Once I have my desired pigment, I'm gonna go ahead with the pink shimmer shade and apply it on top of the pink shade, but only on my inner side of the eyelids, and that's all we need. Next, I'm going to apply a winged liner. For the liner, I'm using this Maybelline Bold Liner. I'm gonna create a wing from the outer corner of my eye very precisely, and then I'm going to go ahead with the inner corners, and slowly I'm gonna create a line following my waterline, and that's it. Now I'm gonna go ahead with the mascara and finish up the eye look using a kajal. For the kajal, I'm using the Faces Canada Blue Kajal. I'm also gonna blend out and smudge out the kajal on my waterline with a blue eyeshadow. And for mascara, I'm using this Maybelline Full Fan Effect Mascara. And there we have our eye makeup. This is minimalistic yet so pretty. This eye look will go with any kind of outfits that you wear. Lastly, finishing up my whole look with the lipstick, and this is the Maybelline Sensational lipstick in the shade 01 Bear It All. And that's it for this video guys, and that's the final look. And if you have liked this look, please don't forget to check out the other looks that I've posted. You can check out the shorts and the long videos as well. I don't have much long videos, but do check out the videos that I have. So that's all. Thank you so much for watching guys, and I shall speak to you guys next time. Bye.